guys, the new project. Look at that. Oh, I'm losing my voice. Check this out. This thing is mint. Just one problem. I don't know if you guys can see that, but someone forgot a bunch of parts. But for 800 bucks, one dent, still 4 tires. Yeah, we got this. I just happened to have on my shelf a semi-used 6-liter. So we're gonna put that in there, and we're going to have ourselves, well, I'll rebuild it first, but we're gonna have ourselves a, I don't know, fairly cheap truck, 3/4 ton, long bed, 4-door, 4-wheel drive. All right, we'll let you guys know what happens next. Okay, we got it broke down. That didn't take very long, it took like 20 minutes. Not much to take off, but there's our wiring harness. We don't need it because we already have another one, so that's gonna be a hack job. I'm gonna string it up on that white piece of plywood and make like a wiring harness jig, because there's a couple of guys around town who want to do a LS swap, so we'll make some harnesses for them. So